real lung-busting run. Sandow with a cross-field kick. Evans takes the ball, but can he get it away? He can. Hughes, that's a Lineham! Lineham into the corner, and I think he's got this. Absolutely fantastic try. Brilliant, brilliant finish. Rhys Evans did really well to get hold of the ball. He fed Jack Hughes.
Austin, Whittam, great ball, and Toby King has support on the outside. Lineham is in, look at the dive, in the corner, Warrington, perhaps.
As he comes in that finish again, he jumps up very high, he has the ball out in front. Well, let's have a look whether he keeps hold of it. Toby King, he waited an eternity for his winger to catch up. Let's have a look. Does he keep hold of it? Yeah, of course he does, of course he does.
Well, the jump was spectacular. Looked like he was about 3 metres out when he goes in the earth.
Gidley once again to the left-hand side to Ratchford. Further wide it goes to Lineham. Tom Lineham for the corner.
Lineham. Oh, Lineham's made the bust and off he goes. He's got some pace. There's a chase from Walker, but Lineham is going to go in the distance. What about that? What about that? Absolutely terrific.
That's a real good individual effort from Tom Lineham there. Outstanding, 90 metres in a challenge.
Four gone, Warrington coming through now with Westerman. And here is Patton. Patton then gives it to Ratchford. Here's Lineham! He will score!
Warrington going back to the middle. You can almost read their minds. They're having a shot. They're looking for the try.
They're looking for the try. Why wouldn't they? Goes wide to Lineham. Lineham through one. Lineham through two. Lineham gets the try! Lineham gets his second try!
A going at sense. Well, he had a crack, and what about that for the ball? First of all, Stephen Ratchford, then Bryson Goodwin. But then what about that? The footwork.